have everything you need in front of you, please compound about 4 milligram in 250 NS.
Beautiful.
So what if we were at the bedside? Because sometimes you're compounding at the bedside, right? Do you have a label at the bedside?
No.
So what do you need to scribble on the bag? What do you think are some important components of scribbling on that bag? Okay, so let's write what medication it is. So it's an naloxone. So an naloxone, 4 milligram per 250 ml NS. And what rate did we decide it should be infused at?
Half of
5
milligrams per
milligrams
hour.
per hour.
Yeah, so put a rate on there, 0.5 milligrams per hour. What else do you think should go on there?
Time?
Date, time.
Date, time that you compounded it. I love that.